Lacko, author of Dream Up Now. Thank you for your commitment to leading young people to better understand their emotions by engaging in the arts. Managing emotions is a lifelong journey, and I hope this guide empowers you, a parent, teacher, librarian, or counselor, to confidently lead students in grades 7 to 12 to improve social, emotional, and self-discovery skills using Dream Up Now. The Dream Up Now guided journal offers a fun and cost-effective solution to managing fluctuating teen emotions while supporting positive mental health. Increasingly, schools are turning to counseling and outreach to alleviate the epidemic of anxiety and depression affecting adolescents nationwide. Community support raises awareness and helps educate teens about the importance of self-care. However, there's a fun and effective solution to managing fluctuating teen emotions and mental health that is proven in countless studies, and it's relatively easy for budget-minded organizations to implement. The arts. Creating space for teens to express themselves using their inherent creativity is a proven method of relieving stress and significantly decreasing anxiety, depression, and suicidal thoughts, while helping to improve student interest in school and overall happiness. It's well documented that music students tend to do better in math, and that drama club kids have the best attendance records. But let's look at the whole person, the teen in your community and the adult he, she, or they may one day become. How does the Dream Up Now guided journal improve your community's future? The journal resolves critical issues for a variety of student populations. Every school has its unique challenges, and cognitive and developmental psychology shows us that managing emotions is the common thread for both problem solving and creating a path to success. What are your students worried about right now? They may be at risk and need help sorting out family or school relationships. They may have struggles with emotional issues, sadness, stress, or pressure. They may be high achieving but unsure how to focus their goals. They may have unrealized talent and potential. They may be lonely and feeling isolation or a wish to get plugged in. Or they may have struggles with identity and the need for mastery of the self. Although young people have never had more forms of communication and media for expressing feelings, rates of helplessness, anxiety, depression, and suicide have never been higher. Young people are struggling to understand and manage emotions. And the good news is that creativity is their innate language. There has never been a better time to establish a social emotional program for young people. With the Dream Up Now workshop, you can facilitate a breakthrough program that will create a positive and lasting shift in your community. What are your goals? To improve attendance and increase school attachment? Or to increase social emotional wellness, or increase emotional intelligence. Perhaps you have a desire to supplement arts education using a fun, budget-friendly system, or you just want to inspire students to set goals and achieve them. These 6 goals are all achievable with Dream Up Now. The benefits not only affect the students who participate in your workshop, but can also have a positive influence on every member of your community. Have you ever had one student, or even a small group of students, create a hostile or challenging environment for the rest of your community? When a group of students change for the better, the results can be equally as profound on your community, not only for the participants, but for other students who become inspired by the changes in Dream Up Now participants. How will your educational environment improve if you begin now? What will your community look like with ongoing, rolling 6-week workshops? In a recent study, visual arts students reported significantly higher levels of school attachment than non-visual arts students. And for every year of arts study, there was a 20% reduction in the likelihood an adolescent would ever be suspended or out of school. It's fair to interpret this stat as a proactive step toward helping your student population to become more engaged, respectful of property, and just plain caring. But do the arts only benefit the artsy people? Do you have to be artsy to lead a Dream Up Now workshop? Keith Sawyer, professor at the University of North Carolina's School of Education, says it's a myth that creativity is just something you're born with, or that lands as one brilliant aha. The reality? Creativity is a way of thinking and acting that we can all get better at. This guide will lead you through 6 fun and easy modules so that you can determine your ideal participants and establish your own arts-based social-emotional workshop faster. Rather than figuring out what to do or what to include or how to present, this guide is your tool for getting your workshop up and running in a shorter time. By establishing a 6-week Dream Up Now workshop, you'll change your students' population mindset for the better. You'll drive consistency in social-emotional programming. and you'll lead with ease, shortening the learning curve and ensuring a budget-friendly program. The Dream Up Now method is a highly organized, proven approach. This is your opportunity to dream up your own customized workshop that fits your community's needs and create a shift toward positivity, goal setting, stronger friendships, school attachment, and future success. If you've ever been a teen, you can do this. In Module 1, you'll learn how Dream Up Now works and discover the big idea. We'll explore why teens really want this kind of workshop and what kind of teens you might encounter. You'll be encouraged to complete an emotion set yourself and be invited to post your results in our private Facebook group for professional instructors like you. In this guide, you'll find everything you need to get started quickly and joyfully. A blueprint for organizing your first day or a standalone pop-up workshop, an action plan for creating a series of workshops based on a theme, desired outcome, or student need, checklists for supplies, a blueprint for writing your own reflection on your experiences with art as a teen, and an easy strategy for customizing your workshop and inviting participants to most effectively shift your student population from darkness into light. Let's get started.